On this episode of Bee Streaming, we're bringing you with us to camp at Shenandoah Valley Campground in Verona, Virginia, and visit 4 Virginia State Park properties. Another bonus stop to Buc-ee's gas station as well. This is our first time both going to Buc-ee's. Yay! I think people are coming just to go to Buc-ee's because this place is a zoo. So many people everywhere. I didn't even realize 81 had this much traffic. View. It's a nice view from this parking spot. We finally got parked right next to the Buc-ee sign. All right, let's go check this place out.
Who would have thought a gas station would bring in so many people?
This place was really big and really crowded, and they had so many things. It was a little overwhelming because there was so much to look at. And then the people making the food kept yelling something. We couldn't even make out what they were saying. It's an interesting place for sure. We got some souvenirs and some food to take back to the campground with us. So we'll see you at the campground next. Shenandoah Valley Campground. There's a very steep hill we're going down here to get to the campground. Check-in is to the right, it says right here on this sign. Ooh, slow. Oh, I guess people are getting in the river right there. We just got here, we got set up, and we realized text messages and phone calls do not go through here. They do have Wi-Fi that we've connected to, which is great, but communication is a little difficult without text and phone, so we're going to figure that one out. We'll probably have to use some apps or something. Buc-ee's food was so good. I got the veggie wrap. You can see what's left of it. It's almost gone. It is so tasty. And he got the, what did you get, hon?
I don't remember. It went down so fast. Brisket, beef brisket, sliced beef brisket.
And what did you think of it?
Delicious.
And he's also munching on these things that we got when we were there. But we really enjoyed the Buc-ee's experience, even though it was super crowded. And we love the food that they had there. And in just a minute, we're going to go walk around and check out the campground once we've cooled off some because it's so hot out there. Here's our view out the window of our truck parked behind us. And just under those trees over there is the river, which we're going to be checking out. Cutie. Oh, you're so cute. This is a stocked pond. You can catch 3 fish a day. They have trout and bass in here. Big brown one over there. Look at this cutie.
Bailey would be snacking galore out here.
Hello. So tiny.
Well, it's a baby.
Mm-hmm. There it is. There's the arcade. We got a claw machine, my favorite. Costs $1 to play.
No signal. The only arcade is out of order. No, that's definitely RC.
That's mini golf. No. Watch out for the rabbit poop.
Let's look at it. Maybe it is.
There's the pool. And there's a playground with rabbits. There's the hot tubs. And the laundry room. Full shower rooms. These are nice tent spots right on the water.
They're really nice. As long as it ain't raining, storming.
Yeah.
Because then you're too close.
Let's go look at the water. Look how clean the water is. It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Big rock face over there. The water is so clear. Look at all the holes over there. It's like caves inside those rocks. Here we have the rental cabins where you can just pull your car up and go in and camp. Hot dog, chili dog, pulled pork, chicken, fried pickles, mozzarella, nachos, biscuits and gravy. This information board is right across from where you check in and the camp store area. Rainbow trout, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, tiger bass, spotted bass, red-breasted sunfish, shell cracker, carp, and channel catfish are all stocked in that little pond. And there's our Airstream over there, right under the tree. There's stairs on the other side over there. Oh wow, it moves slow here. I haven't showed you what we got at Buc-ee's, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of that. They have so many cute things in there. First of all, we got this big cooler bag. So nice. It was only 20 bucks. We got some coasters. a pin for my pin board, a magnet for the refrigerator, and some swim trunks for our grandson. So this week I decided to order a U.S. map with the stickers on it so we can put it in the back window of the camper. It shows which states we've been to with the camper. I got this one from Amazon, and I'll be adding the link to this video and also on our website if you're interested in it. But it looks like a nice map that we can just tape to the window. I don't want to put bumper stickers on or anything like that. I know some people do, but we're kind of hesitant to put bumper stickers on the camper. I just tape it to the window. It's nice and big though. And here's what it looks like when it's all filled out with all the states. So here's all the stickers. And then here's the empty one that you fill in as you go to each state. And here's what it looks like right now. Hopefully we can get some more stickers to put on it soon when we go camping in those other states. Just had to show you how beautiful this area is with these huge rolling hills everywhere and the blue mountains in the background. It's a beautiful place. We're on our way to Natural Bridge State Park. See you there. That's a hotel right there.
Wow.
Oh, look at the love chairs.
Turn right
Isn't
onto
that
Virginia
cool?
130 East, then turn right.
We're arriving at Natural Bridge State Park, and over there in front of us is the Natural Bridge Hotel that you can still book. In 1774, Thomas Jefferson purchased 157 acres of land, including the Natural Bridge, from King George III of England. In 1833, a new owner created the Forest Inn Hotel, which is now Natural Bridge Hotel. In the 1880s, Natural Bridge was a resort owned by Colonel Henry Parsons, who also owned the nearby Rockbridge Inn. When you first enter the park's path, you will stumble upon some trees that are really old. There's also a tree stump there. It's been around since the Ice Age, and they call them the time-traveling trees. When you get down to the bottom of the hill, you show your receipt that you've paid for coming in, and they let you hike the trail. It's 2 miles round trip if you want to see the falls at the end called Lace Falls. Both of us really enjoyed this hike. It's just so unbelievably beautiful, and that Natural Bridge is massive and unique, and the water that goes underneath it and along the path the entire hike is crystal clear. It's like a babbling small creek. It's just such a nice and peaceful hike. They light the place up here at the bridge with those lights right there. They do it at nighttime when they have events. Ooh, you can feel the cool air.
Yeah.
It's just blowing out like an air conditioner. The cave that armed American soldiers.
Saltpeter, yeah.
Entering the town of Clifton Forge, Virginia. Next up is the town of Covington, Virginia. It's very close to the West Virginia border. That's an enormous paper mill that you see in the distance. After driving through Covington, we went up a snaky mountain road to get to Falling Springs Falls, and it was on the side of a very busy road. So you really can only just get out and see this sign and maybe have a picnic if you have lunch and look at the falls, and that's it. But those falls are so amazing and so worth the drive up the mountain to see them. I could seriously just stand there and watch those waterfalls for so long. They're so peaceful and magical to watch. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. After leaving the waterfall, we went down the mountain and headed for Douthat State Park. It's a few minutes down the road. In fact, the waterfall is considered to be part of that state park. Here we are at the check-in place, but as you can see on the left, there is a dam with a lake, and there's a picnic area right below it. And we're headed to the camp store right now, which is also right next to the place where you can swim or get in the fishing piers or rent kayaks. We've got all these rowboats and canoes right there. You can go out on the lake end, or you can go swim on the beach. Oh, this is lit up at night. So the little lanterns. Now this is relaxing to sit here like this. I could just sit on those benches and look out at the lake all day long. Yep. This is such a peaceful spot. Look at those people kayaking over there. Mm-hmm. That looks fun.
Some trails back there, some
yeah.
beach or something.
Yeah, that must be where the water comes into the lake at. This one looks interesting. Here's a fishing pier or two right near the dam. Looks like a great fishing spot and kayaking spot and camping spot. They have like 3 or 4 campgrounds. One of them's right on the beach swimming area next to the lake. This looks like a wonderful park. It's actually divided up by 2 counties, so Allegheny County and Bath County both are in Douthat State Park. Selfie by the lake. Next stop is Green Pasture, which is another segment of the Douthat State Park. It's a few miles down the road from the actual state park. We actually saw hogs, big hogs, in the front yard of that house. And then immediately after that, you see some old railroad crossings. We got a kick out of seeing those hogs, though. Look to the left, you're going to see an old hotel. Not sure what the story is on that. I'll have to try to find out. So we're turning into Green Pasture Recreation Area. So this is a historic park because it was the first USDA Forest Service recreation site in Virginia in response to the racial segregation at the time that it was built in June of 1940. Pasture. Restroom closed. But they're closed. When we first approached the park, we thought it looked beautiful. And we were wondering why we were the only ones there. It felt kind of creepy to be the only ones at a state park. And then we looked at the water, and it looked very odd colored, like reddish colored. But we didn't even see that sign. There's a sign that says not to get in the water because it's unsafe conditions. So that was our explanation as to why no one else was at the park. But all it really was a picnic pavilion area with a bench overlooking that pond. And we were wondering what was making the water unsafe. Was it because of something in the water, like bacteria or dangerous things that your feet could get trapped in, or if it was pollution? Who knows? Even though it was broad daylight, we both felt kind of uneasy being there alone. So we got a good look, and then we got out of there as quick as we could. We figured maybe since the bathrooms are closed and the park is empty, maybe it was closed and they just didn't rope it off or something. It was odd. We did get a quick selfie before we left, though. Built in 1929, humpback construction of hand-hewed timbers in 1835 for the James River. Remained in public use until 1929. Okay. Oh, too bad it's ruined with graffiti.
Yep.
Picnic table over there. People playing in the creek. So peaceful and beautiful.
Sprocket over there.
The what?
Sprocket. Gear. There must have been something here a long time ago.
Maybe it says on it.
I don't know.
You got a rope swing underneath the bridge you can swing off. We were mystified about what this particular thing was next to the water, but now that I look back at it, it looks like a Virginia love sign that's missing the V. Maybe at one point it had a V and it was a love sign. Here we are heading back towards where we thought we were going to go to the camper. Then we changed our mind at the last minute and went to Harrisonburg. And this is the weather we had to drive through for a few minutes. Then it started clearing up as the storm passed, and we had this magnificent view of the mountains and valleys with the storm in the distance. And on the way to the campsite from Harrisonburg, we saw this beautiful sunset over the JMU football stadium.
1, 2. Oh, look at the babies. A whole bunch of them.
Oh, look, there's one about to cross.
Oh, buddy.
Deer crossing.
There you go. Come on.
Look at all of them. So many babies.
Yeah, it's a big family.
Aww. So precious. Yesterday we did pick up a few souvenirs while we were out at the state parks. We got this family game we're going to give a try. We'll let you know what we think of it. Got that one at the Virginia State Parks store. Also got some pins for the places we went and patches. And a magnet at the big waterfall. Falling Springs Falls. It was such a beautiful waterfall. I've seen a lot of waterfalls, but this one tops the list because it's just so massive and mystic looking. Also got this cool book. I'll let you know what I think of it. Ghostly Tales of Virginia State Parks. And some stickers. And of course a Christmas tree ornament. And then we decided on our way back from the state parks yesterday that maybe we should go by a Best Buy and get a Starlink.
So for our camping adventures, so far up to now, we've been using the Verizon Hotspot MiFi along with a Netgear antenna. You can see it right here, but on this trip it didn't work out so well. So we went out to Best Buy last night and picked up a Starlink. And here's the box for it. As you can see, it's packaged pretty well. Inside the box was a dish and the power cable. We put it up in our skylight, just stuffed it up in there for now. I'll get a better mounting solution later, but it worked really well. It gives us 100 megabytes per second down and 50 up on a cloudy day next to some trees. We've got sky above us, but on the side of us there's trees and it's still catching the pretty good signal.
We decided to go to lunch in Staunton, Virginia at Mrs. Rose, and it was a great choice. They had a huge menu. It was a very home style type place to eat. They had lots of desserts to choose from and lots of American food to choose from. We both ended up getting the exact same thing. We both got burgers. That was the special for that day, and the peach cobbler, that was the special. And they did not disappoint. We were both very pleased. And then we noticed they have these little things here you can buy, and you can take home a whole pie. And this place has been recognized for being around for so long and being so great. Next up, we went shopping for souvenirs at the Virginia Made store. The store was right next to the restaurant, so that worked out perfectly. And they had so many cute souvenirs in there. My favorite things that I usually buy at the state parks were made in Virginia, apparently. Also got a history lesson from the town of Staunton from the store clerk. It was very informative. Next up, gas and washer fluid fill up. Got to get ready for our trip home tomorrow. After getting the truck ready, we decided we're going to go check out Old Historic Staunton. This town has been around since the 1700s. I guess it's a retirement community, probably.
It used to be a psychiatric hospital.
Oh, yeah. That's the one she was telling us about at the store. Yeah, you can tell it looks like a psychiatric hospital.
Yeah, iron fence. Alright, we're getting some traffic passing through, I think. Oh, we should have gone left.
Well, just go straight. We'll reroute. No biggie.
This is some old houses. That looks like Richmond style.
This reminds me of Charlestown when we went to Charlestown, West Virginia.
Take the next left on the State Street, then turn right on Verona.
These houses are all historic looking.
Big circle right here.
Presidential Woodrow Wilson Presidential Library and Museum.
No turn on red.
Yeah. I think this is where Woodrow Wilson was born.
Okay.
That's why they have the Presidential Library.
I gotta squeeze this thing in over there.
Turn right on Clifton Forge, then turn right on East Beverly.
Oh, this is.
We're just doing a circle.
Yeah, but you're in the other lane. Not room to drive here. Wow.
Take the next left on Berkeley Place, then
That's because they're allowing people to park in the road.
Left here on Berkeley, it says.
I don't know. That's gonna
I
happen.
hope you can fit. Looks like you're pulling into some. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna squeeze her in there.
Oh my goodness.
On the hill. Looking good, looking good.
Look at that big house up there on the hill.
Making sure your skateboarders, nobody coming flying down.
Wow, this is a hilly town. I see why they do the Harry Potter festival here, because all these houses look like they could be in a Harry Potter movie. And then we have some colonial ones here. Back down. They've kept this entire town historic. That's a place where you could park over
These
there.
are residential places.
Yeah, that's apartments. An old historic apartment place. Oh no, it's a hotel. That's a hotel, 24th Street Hotel.
Oh, great. I saw some peaks earlier. Steeples.
Continue straight.
Amtrak station. Oh, here we have the Augusta County Courthouse. They have the streets blocked off. Look at the old theater. Jurassic World and Fantastic Four. Chop House Tavern. Ooh, what do we have here? This is St. Francis of Assisi Catholic Church. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! Oh, I won.
This game is rigged.
Finally won a game.
So we just had a thunderstorm pass through and the Starlink lost all signal. It's back up now, but for 22 minutes I didn't know what to do. Oh, we played a board game. That's what we did.
Yeah, we played this new game we bought at the Virginia State Park called Camp Trivia Edition. It's a really cute family game. Recommended if you have little ones. Mostly I bought it because I wanted to try it out because it had the Airstream on the bag.
You can't see that. That was too fast.
Oh, too fast? Okay, look. There it is. Old-fashioned Airstream. That's all it took. For the journey. Hey, little ones.
Yeah!
There's a hole there. DJ booth. Party's over. Time to go home. We had a wonderful time in the Staunton, Virginia area. We appreciate you watching our video. We hope if you liked it that you subscribed and press the like button. Please comment and let us know what your thoughts are. If you have questions, let us know.